Hello friends, this video is created by Siddharth Upadhyay, founder and creator of PrepWings. Log on to www.prepwings.com for complete free course videos. Okay, in this video we'll talk about text completion for two blanks. Okay, so for all text completion questions, we'll try to fill the blank with our own word. Okay, the biggest mistake in a text completion question is to read the question and then go to the answer options. Some options are there to confuse the students. Okay. Thus our approach to any text completion question should be understand what the sentence means, then fill the blank with our own word, and then we'll go to the options to look for the word or synonym of the word that we filled in. Okay. Now to get points on a two blank question, both the blanks should be filled correctly. Okay. So there are no partial points. Okay, so now in a text completion question with two blanks, there will either be a hint for one of the blanks and the other blank can be filled after the first blank or the second blank is filled. Okay, so there will be a hint for any one of the blanks and the second blank can be filled after that. Okay, or I can give a positive or negative relationship between the two blanks, okay, which can help us to find the answer by looking at options. So for example, here in the question says the old and dash building is in a bad state, but it was once a dash piece of architecture. Okay. Options for blank 1 are A. Recalcitrant, B. Poor, C. Toned down. For blank 2, options are D. Magnificent, E. Gullible, F. Obsolete. Okay. So now first we will understand the sentence and we'll try to fill it with our own words, the blanks with our own words. Okay. The old and dash building is in a bad state, but it was once a dash piece of architecture. So over here we know that the building is old and it is in a bad state. Okay. So we can fill ruin for the first blank. Okay. So we can say the old and ruined building is in a bad state. For the second part, the second part of the sentence is starting with a but. Okay, so that means the second blank should state something positive about the building. Okay, so we can fill splendid here. So the sentence should read as the old and ruined building is in a bad state, but it once was a splendid piece of architecture. Okay. So now our sentence is the old and ruined building is in a bad state, but it once was a splendid piece of architecture. So the first blank should be ruined and second blank should be splendid. So now looking at the options for blank 1, torn down means ruined. So option C is correct for blank 1. Okay. For blank 2, magnificent means splendid. So option D is correct for blank 2. Okay. Thus option C and D are the correct options. So this is how we deal with text completion question of two blanks. Thanks a lot for watching this video.